Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor, and I am very happy because my all of the YouTube community are very supportive and very kind. So secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet scrunchies. It's very helpful for summer and it's very trending collection and colorful themes. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and popular collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and viewer must share with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending design of handmade scrunchies. It's very amazing and cool design and color combination. I hope you all love and your family loves these beautiful articles. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet scrunchies. Thank you friend for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new design, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So it's a very common question, what is the crochet? Now I am providing you the answer of what is the crochet. Crochet is a wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework and technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's used to make a wide range of items from clothing and accessories to home decor and toys. Viewer, if you are interested in learning how to crochet, I can provide you with some basic instructions and resources to get you started. Or if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with veterans, tips and inspirations for your next project. What would you like to know about crochet? You know very well it's a crochet, it's a needlework technique and with hooks and yarns. It's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing, hats, scarves, sweaters, dresses, hair accessories, and other accessories, bags, collars, home cover, home cases, and mobile cases. Home decor ideas, blankets, pillow covers, and posters. Kids' toys, soft, stuffed animals and toys. Granny squares, aprons, throws. Project has many benefits including relaxation and stress relief, creative expression and self-expression, portability, easy to take with you on the go, customization, choose your own color, favorite color on your yarn and patterns. Make your own item instead of buying them. And before, it's a very wonderful hobby. It's great way to create something with your own hands, relax and express your creativity. Here are some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word meaning hook. The first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing accessories and home decor items. The most common crochet hook material is aluminum, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. Something new to learn and create happy talking. So I hope you all are understand and all the questions are solved in details of this project. So Weaver, thank you so much one more time for supporting me, for help me, and for all the things. Please be support me like this forever. I am very happy and I am very kind because my all the YouTube community are very supportive, very kind for us. So these are the benefits and these are the answers of these of your questions. I hope you all are understand with the details of crocheting. So if you want more type of crochet article and if you all love these articles, so you will like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. And one more time, I am very thankful to you. And one more time, I am telling you if you want more things, more article, and other items of project. So comment me. I am providing you the designs of project and project articles, project veterans. You can see the designs, the color combination are very cool and it was very beautiful article. It's a watermelon design of crochet scrunchie and some people are like dark shades and some are like light shades. So all the shades are available, all the themes are available in this video. So pick your favorite one design and make this design for yourself, for friends gifting and others. I hope you all love this article and I hope you watch all the videos because this is very helpful video for especially for crochet lovers. So thank you so much viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing, very trending collection for them. If you want more design and more attractive article of crochet, so stay tuned, be connected with me. Okay, my sweet and lovely viewers, see you soon, take care and Allah Hafiz.